Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products to help you make informed choices. Today, we're taking a look at what could be the best Oakley Straight Jacket lenses you can find, the Tintart Performance Replacement Lenses. These lenses are designed to provide the ultimate replacement for your Oakley Straight Jacket 2007 sunglasses, delivering a perfect fit and enhanced performance. Now, let's talk about the quality. These lenses come with an optimized tint that boosts contrast and offers vivid details, making them perfect for outdoor activities where clarity is key. They're also polarized to reduce glare, which is a huge plus if you're out in bright conditions or near reflective surfaces like water or snow. One of the standout features of these lenses is their durability. The material used is resistant to seawater corrosion, meaning you don't have to worry about your lenses degrading if you're near the ocean. Plus, they're coated to repel oil, which helps keep the lenses clean and smudge-free. With a scratch-resistant coating, these lenses are built to last and can endure the wear and tear of daily use, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. What's even better is that these lenses are super easy to replace. The process is straightforward, so you can get back to enjoying your Oakley Straight Jacket sunglasses without any hassle. The company behind these lenses, Tintart, promises a risk-free shopping experience, offering a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. If for any reason you're not happy with your purchase, their customer support is ready to assist you, giving you peace of mind. Whether you're replacing old, scratched lenses or simply upgrading your current pair, the Tintart Performance Replacement Lenses for Oakley Straight Jacket 2007 sunglasses stand out as one of the top choices. With enhanced durability, improved visibility, and that perfect fit, these lenses are a must-have for any Oakley fan. That wraps up today's review of the Tintart Performance Replacement Lenses. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions or thoughts you have. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.